You know what? I'm gonna give you an A for effort.
Hello everyone, it's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a very special guest.
Sometimes when we touch,
my gorgeous mom. So I've been seeing this hilarious trend, you know, like transforming my sister into me, transforming my boyfriend into me. I have a twin sister. I was gonna use her, but honestly, like me transforming her into me, it would be like me putting a red...
Cheating.
Yeah, like it would just be like
twins.
It would do look a little different, but it would just be like me putting a red wig on her.
Yeah, it'd be a really easy transformation.
Yeah. So I figured I would do something a little more challenging because it's going to be challenging for me for 3 reasons. First reason, if you haven't noticed, my mom is a lot older. I was going to say white.
I'm white.
Second reason, my lips. I have these big
mother puckers.
The third reason, as you can see, the wig. I couldn't find a wig that matched my hair at all. Okay, I looked for like, I looked for a day, but that felt like a long time.
Scroll after scroll.
I went like 4 pages on Amazon. I could not find a wig that looked just like mine. I could only find like the color above it or the color beneath it. We're gonna just deal with it.
This will be fun.
It might be a fail. It might be a fail, but if it's a fail, who cares? At least we tried, right?
Yeah.
So you guys, thumbs up this video for my mom letting me drag her into this video. Comment down below how beautiful my mom is. And me if you want to throw that in there. I'm just joking. Alright. Foundation. So I'm just going to put my foundation on you.
Okay.
Pin your hair back. She's shy. She's
I don't
shy.
like being on video. I really don't.
She's shy on camera, but in real life, she's like Miss Charismatic. So my mom had no idea this was even going to happen today. I mean, she knew about the idea because I had asked her, but I didn't know when I was going to do it. So she comes over today to clean my room because she cleans for me sometimes because she's such a sweet mother. Yeah, she's like washing my underwear. I'm like, Mom, I have an idea. Can I transform you into me today? And she was like, no. And I was like, oh my God, please. And here we are.
The things we do for our children.
A mother's love. Is your face oily?
It used to be oily. When I was a teenager, it was, well, I think I had combination skin.
We're gonna have to contour.
Let's do it.
I hope I don't make you like you have 5 o'clock shadow.
The jaw. Yeah, I feel like I have more of a pointier jaw now.
And by the way, I'm not like trying to spend 7 hours making this look flawless. For my eyes, I really like burnt orange. It's like my favorite color. Are there any like trends from like today that like you like?
I love the eyeshadow. I mean, I love the way that the eyeshadows are and the eyeliners and like half lashes and things like that. We didn't do that. It was like a full lash and full eyeliner, and I mean, we just put on like colors that matched our clothes. Like if we had blue on, we put on blue eyeshadow, you know. We used to wear blue mascara, and I think like today's makeup, you can put a lot of it on in natural colors. And it looks so good.
Brow time. Okay, my mom looks like Cara Delevingne. She's a model.
She looks mad.
No. I showed this one.
Mad. Going to rob a bank.
My mom's eyebrows are so much more arched naturally that even with me adding so much underneath to straighten them out a little bit, I couldn't. I would have to literally shave.
This one.
You don't look bad.
Yeah, okay. You sure?
Yeah. We can add we'll put the wig on later.
Okay.
Because it's itching
It's,
my mom.
it's really itchy.
And just add a little more concealer to like straighten it. I love your brows like this. It looks so good. I love it. I love it. I love it.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
Bronzer. And then it's like my favorite. And then I use like the back of my blendy. So I like to do half lashes. First lash. You look really good with lashes.
They're so hard for me to put on.
You remind me of Lola. Not that I don't like your normal lashes.
I don't have any lashes.
Me neither.
I have such small lashes.
I have no lashes. You don't really blink when people do your makeup.
Oh my gosh. I look like the filter on Snapchat. Silly. We don't look the same.
Out of all of the compliments that you get on your face your whole life, what was the biggest compliment?
My eyes.
They're gorgeous. Lips.
See, this is where the challenge is gonna come in.
Yeah, this is where I'm gonna need like this whole
She's gonna
thing.
go like up all the way around here.
This is impossible. This is about as big as I can go without you looking like you just woke up under a bridge.
Without me looking like I had too much to drink and put on my lipstick. I know what I need. I want you to do my makeup like it'll be like Joan Crawford. Hurry up with this. Can you bring me a martini, please? I need my martini.
And drum roll. Nothing like me.
Nothing.
But we do look more like, right? Wait, hold on. Okay, look that way. And I'm gonna imagine my eyes are blue. I won't say it was a win, but I won't say it was a fail. Wait,
It was not a fail.
it wasn't a fail.
No, because you know what? I learned a new way to do my eyebrows.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna call Brittany in here. I'm calling in Brittany, so to see what Brittany thinks. Me and Brittany, by the way, still live together. You do look like Wyman Judd. You look like Ariel.
Okay, I'll take Ariel. I like Ariel.
Why did you put shimmer on your face and not on hers?
What do you mean?
Your face is shimmery?
It's just oily. I think I kind of messed up like on the eyes a little bit.
Mom, your eyes are so blue.
They're so blue.
Mom, that wig though.
That wig though is a hot mess.
Yes.
Oh, and it's gotta come off. I love the eyebrows. I do, I really do.
You don't want to do your lips like this every day?
No,
I like it. I would like to see like the same look, but like not red lips.
not red lips. Yeah, if I could do this with pink lips, I would like it a lot better. You're good at it. You're good at makeup.
I do my
I'm
friend's
thinking
eyebrows.
about you should do like maybe YouTube videos or something. Makeup.
I should do more. Like, I actually don't do those. So what did you guys think?
It was fun at least, huh?
It was fun. Was that a win or fail? Let me know in the comments below. Thumbs up this video if you like these kind of videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Bye everyone.